Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from NYBot. In this video we are going to use this TI-30XS scientific calculator to learn how to convert polar and rectangular. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's do some polar and rectangular conversion. We have polar, and for rectangular also there is another name called Cartesian, so keep that in mind. Depending on the book or your teacher, they may prefer to use Cartesian. And the angle, when I press shift angle, now we are seeing rectangular polar on the right side. So if I go with the arrow, you see a lot of options that you can get rectangular. For example, from rectangular convert to polar, get R, rectangular to polar, get theta, polar to rectangular, get X. And this arrow was showing that we had, this arrow shows we have something up now. Polar, get rectangular Y. So here is an example. We have R equals 6, theta equals 36.8. So theta is in here, and R is the magnitude of this vector or line, whatever you call it, and we want to find X and Y. For the X and Y is the point at the tip of this, so we can see the Y in here and X for this value. So this is the coordinate of this point. Now to do that, let's press clear, second function angle, go to the right, and this time we press 3. So this says from polar to rectangular, get X, and we enter 6, and then we enter comma, shift, and this button here, the dot or point. So then we enter 37, for example. This is just an example, and we got the answer. So this one says polar, get X in terms of rectangular, and this is the X value here and in here. Now I'm not going to press clear. Let's just continue getting Y value, second function, this, go to the right, and this time 4, which is below this, I'm going to just press 4, and then 6, shift, comma, 37, and then press equal. So this is our X value, and this is our Y value for that plot. Now we have another example here. X is 4, we want to find theta and the magnitude, R and theta, and X is the tip of this point, minus 5, you see below this line, below this X-axis, and then 4 is here. So let's find out R and theta. Let's press clear, second function angle, and then go to the right and select 1, rectangular to polar, get R, and because X is 4, shift, comma, minus 5, I'm going to press this minus 5, and then press clear, enter. So we got the R value, and now let's get the theta, shift, comma, shift angle, go to the right, this time theta 2, and then 4, the same minus 5, shift, comma, minus 5, and enter. Now this shows the angle minus 51 degrees. It depends on the unit here. If this is radian, the value will be radian, so pay attention to that. And this is our theta. If you look at the plot, that theta is below this X-axis, so the answer is correct, which is minus 51. Here is example 3. R is 6, we have theta and R is 6, and this angle from here is 50. We want to find X and Y for this value. But 50 degrees, let's see this theta, and we see here 90 degrees counterclockwise, another 90, and then 50. In this case, the theta in total for our equation should be 50 plus 90 plus 90, which is 230 degrees. So we will enter 230 or we enter all those values 90, 90 and 50. So now I'm pressing clear, shift angle, select number 3. So shift angle, go to the right and then 3. Now 6, shift comma. Now we can do math operation 90 plus 30, which is 230, or you can just enter 230. That's minus 5. That's x. X is minus 5. What did I do? Something wrong. I entered 30. Let's say you made a mistake. So go up, it's highlighted, press enter, the value comes to the bottom, press delete and make it 50 and enter. So this is the correct value. Now let's get y. Second function angle, go to the right, 4 for the y, and 6, shift comma, and 230 minus 4.59. So that is our y value, and as you saw, x is minus 3.8 to 3.8 and y is minus 4.59, which is correct. The answer is correct. Thank you for watching. This was the tutorial for this TI-30XS scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also if you have comment or question, post it below the video. Share the video. I appreciate it. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.